Okay, maybe stack. Maybe stack. I want these two for sure. I don't want to waste my time here. Let's go over here real quick. Dragonite. It's like what, 180 to 200? Something like that.
I think so.
Lugia's around 750. And I want Umbreon. What are these? Like 100 bucks? 120?
150.
Take them out. What are these?
150.
Okay, it's like 100, right?
I think they're all the same price.
They're like 120, 130. These are what, like 6?
Yeah.
You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards at say 120 each. Say 1,000 market, because 120 is 960. So I'll say 1K market here. Fair? 1K, 1.6, 1.25. So that's.
Last soul's 30.
No, last soul's 1180. Go check. Check it. I just checked. I've already bought like 7 of them today. Hold on. We're at 2850. 2850 market. Plus 12. 4050. Plus 1250. 5300. Say 900 here. I'm at 6200 market here, brother. Let me alt these. So 62, remember that number, okay? I screenshotted that for you. Can you hear me? I'm talking to you. Brother. Sam, 6200 market.
No, I have market written down.
Is he okay? I feel like you have trauma from past deals, bro.
25, 35.
Market 6200, brother. Should I buy this Japanese Rayquaza? What do you think? Do you like it? No? She doesn't like it that much, bro. So you might not print on me like that. I bought this when it was like 2200. I'm so fucked. I have one. I think I still have one. K&M Collectibles. 1170 and 1100 last solds. You're effed. You hear me? Yo, 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 yo. Hello?
Yeah.
1170 and 1100 last solds.
Yeah, we don't need to work on these.
Oh, we do. 1100 market. 6200, dude. What are you keeping track of? How?
I spreadsheet the market price on all these.
I said 120 on these times what?
More on that.
Look,
More.
120 times 8 is 960. I gave you 1K.
The Suicune's over 200.
Okay, alt it. Alt a couple of them and we'll see. This is 800.
900.
No.
Okay, I'll skip that.
Okay. I'm just gonna alt a couple of these just so I can show you. No, this one I said almost 200. Entei, sure, 150. Yeah, I said. Okay, we'll go a little higher. Fuck it. I'm not gonna argue with you. Okay, so the difference was, look at me. You said 69. I said 6200. Well, with calculating is at 120, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
120 is
I know, no.
my mouth.
No, look at me, bro. No need to comp. You said 69. I said 62, but that was calculating is at 120. So you said 150 times 8. So you want an extra 200 bucks. So market 6400. I don't know how you got 6900, bro.
I have a spreadsheet now.
Market 6400.
I have a spreadsheet.
I'll be nice with you, 6500. I'll flip you 5354. Yeah. What do you want to flip? Quick.
It's like 78%.
No, it's not. On 6500 market?
6900.
It's not. How is it six? What did you value this at?
Lugia is at
7?
800.
Pass. And these are 1250. Zara's at 6, right? 6? Lugia, I did like 750. I said 53, 54. Okay, let's just do 54, 55 with Lugia. Happy?
I'm still at 5.9.
Dude.
I added these up by column.
You said 150 each?
No, I have it added up on my spreadsheet.
What are they? Let me see.
Gyarados 175, Suicune 230, Raikou 175, 175, Entei 175.
So none of these are 150, bro. You said 150.
Yeah, a little higher.
You said 150 before we grabbed them out, and I said sure.
That's what I thought they were at.
You can't change that up.
Why can't I?
You want to sacrifice like a $5,500 deal over a $20 card?
Yeah.
Damn, you're sabotaging our relationship, bro. You're gonna do me like that?
No, you're doing me like that.
No, you're doing me like that. You want somebody that does 1150 comps?
Huh?
1150 comps
What
on
do you
these?
want to pay on each?
Market's 1150.
What do you want to pay?
I'll tell you right now. Market's 6,700. Because you took high comps on this shit. And add 2,300 for these two. Market's $9,000. I don't care about individual prices. Market's 9K.
Okay, so you're saying 6, 7 without it,
Yeah.
and 9K with it.
2300 market.
Okay.
9,000. I'll flip you 74, 75. Fair, right? Market's 9K, flip 74, 75.
That sounds terrible.
I talk so good about you.
I'll pay 8,500.
Bro, what?
I'm a buyer at 1K each.
It's basically 1K.
No, it's less.
Dude, what did I just say? 74, 75 flip on 9K?
It's less than 1K. If I win, they're giving me 960 each. There's no reason for me to do it. Like, why would I choose to
Did I say 85 or 75? Okay, 74, 76. Happy?
No, there's just no reason for me to sell them.
Okay, take these out then. 60, 67, 55, 56. Run it.
500.
Yeah. All right, we got 2 Umbreon VMAXs, 2 Dark Charizards, a Gengar VMAX, a Neo Lugia, Light Dragonite, and a bunch of Japanese PSA 10 Holo vintage cards, 2 Raikus, Entei, 2 Suicunes. Market is 6,700. We're gonna flip. Say it, sir. Let me hear it. Let me hear it come out of your mouth, K&M.
I don't want to flip 54, 55.
I said 55, 56.
55, 56.
Take it. You throw, I call, or do you want me to throw, you call? Quick, bro, it's already been like 10 minutes. I'm gonna charge you for my time.
It's not good.
It
not
is.
Good. It's no bueno. You get lower comps.
It's like 85%, just take it.
It's 83.
No, it's not. If you beat me, it's higher than 83.
No, 83 is the higher side.
I'm giving you high comps on dog shit cards.
85 is 57.
56, 57. Shake my hand.
No.
Shake my hand.
Just close at 57.
No. We're gonna flip for 50 bucks.
58.
56, 50, and we're gonna flip 50 bucks up, 50 bucks down. 56, 57. Throw it. Throw it.
Why can't you just go?
Throw it.
You said 85%. You said 85%.
Look at me in the eyes. Throw it.
What am I throwing?
The coin. 56, 57.
56, 57.
You're printing like $300 on these high comps. That's very
I'm
fair.
not. We went down. We went down.
Just do it, bro.
You just do it.
Just do it. Just do it.
5650, 5750.
No. 5,600, 5,750. Take it. You're getting 50 bucks higher on upside. Dude, let's go. My camera's gonna die. Bro, we're wearing the same shirt. Come on. Stop being.
You're just trying to print on me, dude.
No, it's not printing. It's being fair.
Oh my god.
5,600, 5,750. Ready?
Okay.
Throw it.
I'm throwing.
Throw it right here. Right here. Tails.
Yep.
Tails. Tails. Tails.
I did.
Bro, what the hell was that throw? I literally said throw it right here.
I tried.
Just for that, you have to throw it again.
That's crazy. That's on video.
I said throw it right here. I swear to God, I said throw it right here.
I literally it's a
Throw
skill
it
issue.
right here.
Okay.
Tails. Get fucked.
Dude, that's
5,600.
Oh, bro.
5,600. 5,600. All right, you want to throw one more time?
No, I don't want to throw again.
Okay, you want to take the tails? I said right here.
Okay, bro. I'm sorry I couldn't throw it on the table. Dude, I'm not a professional coin flipper. You are. Okay. I feel like you should have flipped if you wanted to be on the table.
One more flip.
Oh.
5,600, 5,750.
So you want it on the table.
On the table. If
On
it
the
falls
table,
off the
I'm
table,
so
it is
sorry.
it is not allowed. Disqualification if it's off the table.
Okay.
Tails. Get fucked. Goated. Fuck. Check my hand. 5,600. Look at me in the fucking eyes. Look at me in the eyes. 5,600, baby. Come on, buddy. We can fist bump.
No, I hate you. I hate you.
I just printed so hard. Oh, 5,600. All right, let's go with this guy over here. Max, AKA Daisuke. How old are you again?
19.
He's 19. And he does hundreds of thousands of dollars of cards. And he's did it all himself. He bought his own condo too. You got a BMW 8 Series recently too, right?
Yeah.
I wish I was like you when I was 19.
You don't want this?
No, that's, what is that, like 50 grand? $70,000 for a BGS 10 Daisuke Prime Umbreon?
Yeah, it's the brand.
All right, this is my shit.
Yep.
Dude, I remember this was 14 grand at Card Party 2 years ago.
14 grand?
Yeah. No, 2 years ago. Yeah. It did. It sold for 17 grand, I think, at one point.
Maybe Black
No, PSA 10. A year and a half ago, summer. Yeah. I had it.
Last summer was 10K.
Okay, this is high.
Sam, you remember last year's waifu boom? Last year's waifu boom? Yeah. Did this card ever go over 15 grand?
Yep. It hit 17. It hit 17.
I don't think
There was auctions that
know the best.
I had one. I know.
He literally
And
held
did you
it
sell it at
all the way
17?
down.
Yeah. I didn't sell it. No. I got rid of it when it was like 4 or 5. I'm an idiot. Like I wait for the crash.
Well, now they're 2K. Now it's a steal. You can buy for 2K.
I don't need it though. You said market 750 on these 4?
Yeah.
It's a very niche card. I'm trying to think for Milky Bag Chase. Because I have the Reshiram and I put the Reshiram as a 10 one time and people weren't buying.
It's better than a fucking Raichu.
This is 420, yeah?
Huh?
You cool market 420 on this?
I don't know.
What do you have market on this? 800?
Thanks. Yeah, 750.
Okay, so say you said 7, so 3K market there. Pass on these. All right, we're at 4170 here. Where's the Zekrom? I want the Zekrom. That card's crazy.
I have more restaurants.
What was it?
46, 44. Round up 46.
45, 46 flip. It's because your market's low on these, so it's fair.
Nope. Dude, I'm already giving you like such good.
I know,
prices
market's
on
not
everything.
51, market's more like 55.
Yeah. Sure.
Let me see. If market was 5,500,
I'll flip you 46, 46,
50 bucks?
Yeah.
You're just bored, huh?
Okay, 46, 47 now.
No. 45, 50, 46, 50. What'd you say?
46, 46, 50.
All right. I don't know why I'm taking these, but we got 4 gold Zekrom PSA 10s, a Master Battle Pikachu, a Blaziken, a really cool Umbreon, and a Reshiram. Market's 5,500. Flip 46 or 46.50.
You throw it.
You call?
Yeah. That's how we did it before.
He says heads. It is tails again. 4,600. Cheers.
Do I need
Two-
to wait like 2 weeks for my payment now?
Text Josh. 4,600 right now. Group chat. You guys are the payment clan. He just texted Josh. You texted Josh. All of you guys have Josh's number.
Yeah. I wonder why.
All right, time to print over here. I want to be at 1250 here and 650. Bro, I don't know. I don't want some of these. I don't want some of these cards. Later, bro. I want this. This is like 100. I want this. Pass on this. I want this. I want this. I want these at like 550. I don't know. This maybe. This is high. I know, that's crazy. I don't really want that. It went up, these 3, huh?
Like overnight.
I'd probably pass on them. This I'd keep, I guess. I don't really want these. I want these for sure. This stack, these, but you gotta go a little lower than 6 on this.
These are my slabs too.
Are they?
Yes.
Okay, do you want to do a 340 on the Zard market?
I was confident.
You're like,
I comped at 375. Like when we bought it.
I'm not sweating, I don't care. You want to do it or no? I don't care.
What do you like? What's
Like mid 80s. Alt this real quick, see what this is at today. I want to be at like 550.
it's a wonky one. It's a wonky. I think 550 is fair.
That's what I think too. Gengar's 6 and this is 550. Giratina is like 650.
Yeah, 550 is.
Cool? All right. So let's just re-add it. I want to be at 1250. Last sold 1180 on this.
Well, that's what I comped it as.
1250? Okay. 1250 plus 1100. You want to just add that up?
Yep.
Plus 11 plus 650 plus 6 plus 360, 100,
No. It's like 115.
110. And I'll put 140 on this.
I feel like I could sell that.
Bro, just add
Yes,
just
no.
just add 250 on these two.
Add what? What did you say?
250. 250. What is that? 4210?
Yep.
340? You want to add this or no?
That's your
No?
I have. It might be good to do that. I wouldn't evaluate it. I would have 350. Oh, let's sell for 375.
Okay, right before that it's like 300 and 310.
Yeah, I don't know where this.
I wanted this. 180. Did you have this?
Huh?
180. I'm only paying high because I don't have slabs. You guys want to flip 100 bucks up or down? 40, 39.41. He said 40. He said 4 or 41. I said
what would
50
get
bucks
us
down.
to 4.2?
What? Well, I can take more shit out.
No. I'm saying
Oh,
right
4-2
now.
upside?
Yes.
Shit.
And it'll be 38.50.
Sure, 38.50, 4,200.
Do you want to risk that?
$350 flip.
I'm fine either way.
I don't care. I haven't done a big flip in a while.
I'm cool with that. 38.50, 42. No bigger go home.
See, we can't get the 39.42.
No.
I don't like 38.50.
Dude, it's $50.
Can you watch my stuff?
Yeah.
Or we can do 38.50, 41.
39.42. Come on.
No.
You're up by like $50.
Nope,
Not even
nope,
that
nope,
much.
nope, 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 nope. Dude, I literally have like an hour and a half to fill up this Zion case.
So you're gonna do it. So 39.42.
No, 39.50, 41, or 38.50, 42. Pick your poison, bro.
What do you want to do? I don't care.
I mean 38.50, 42. We
All
have
right, 38.50, 42.
Mega flip?
Let's do it. Mega
All right, we're doing a deal with JC and Parkmon. We got the 151 Zard, Greninja, Mega Zard, Misty Lorelei, 2 Giratina V-Stars, a Gengar VMAX, Charizard, 2 Ray VMAXs, and an Umbreon VMAX.
All right.
Markio was like close to $5 grand, or
There we go.
like 47, I don't know.
Back up.
38.50 if I win, 4,200 if you guys win.
I need to eat. You need to.
Ready? This is a $350 flip, Andy.
You ready, buddy?
Yeah, it's a 350. I'm gonna call
Want me
it.
to call it?
Call it for me. Call it for me. He says heads. He says heads. He says heads. 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 Fuck!
Tail, baby. Let's
go.
Whenever I let anyone else pick, I get fucked. I always get printed on when someone else calls it.
Printed on.
Oh
Get printed.
no.